Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install YouTube Kids application on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your Google Play Store application on your Android mobile phone. And after you have opened this application, you can go to the search bar right here. And then you can simply search for YouTube Kids. Just type in YouTube Kids like this and then hit the search button, and then the YouTube Kids will appear right here and you just need to click on install. Okay, and now this application is being installed and we just need to wait until the downloading process completed. We need to wait until 100%. Okay, it's already 70. Oops. Okay, now this application is being installed, and then we're going to go to our home screen or app screen to check this application. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, now it's done guys. The YouTube Kids has been installed on my Android mobile phone, and we just need to open and set up this YouTube Kids app. Okay, and then you just need to click on get started, and then you can sign in with a parent's account here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to install YouTube Kids application on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.